Alright, so I set up this 60 amp MPPT Solar Charge Controller with my 12-volt lithium battery and a 100-watt solar panel, and it worked flawlessly. I wanted to test out a real off-grid setup, so I connected everything through a DC AC inverter and powered my MacBook, a fan, and even my Starlink mini to this whole setup. Everything ran smoothly without any interruptions, which really shows how well this controller manages power. Now, I was sent this solar charge controller by SunSwift, and what I really like is how simple it is to install, even with the more advanced solar setup. First, I connected the battery. You always want to start with the battery when wiring a solar charge controller. I took the negative black cable and attached it to the negative battery terminal on the controller, then connected the positive red cable to the positive terminal coming from the battery. Once the battery is hooked up, the controller powers on and detects the system voltage automatically. After that, I connected the solar panel. As soon as the sun hits the panel, the controller starts tracking and pulling power right away. SunSwift uses MPPT technology and can actually see the wattage adjusting in real time on the LCD display. It is much more efficient than PWM controllers and keeps charging even when clouds roll in. The LCD screen makes it easy to see everything at a glance, like panel voltage, battery voltage, charging amps, and overall status. Even if you are new to solar, the menu is simple with just two buttons, so navigating settings is straightforward. It is also compatible with multiple battery types if you ever change your setup later. The build quality is solid too. You have a durable outer housing with a thick aluminum heat sink in the back that helps keep it cool during heavy charging. And with all the built-in protections like overcharging, reverse polarity, and overload protection, you get a lot of peace of mind with this solar charge controller. Now, if you want a reliable, efficient, and easy to install solar charge controller that can run real off-grid devices without issues, this is the right one for you.